QR code using Canva. Okay, so basically just imagine that you want to create a visiting card where you have to add a QR code. In this case, just search for visiting cards. Okay, visiting cards in uh, Canva. Even you can search okay, visiting card is fine, and then you can open any of these visiting cards. Okay, customize this template, and next what you can do, you can delete everything. Okay, you can delete this. uh, let's delete this page as well. So this is a blank one, and suppose we want to create a visiting card with a QR code. In this case, what we can do, go to apps. Okay, and then here we have to search for a QR code. Okay, QR code, so search for QR code from here, and click on this one, QR code, and here you have to enter the URL which you want to put here. Like, say for example, I'm putting up this URL. Okay, and I click on generate QR code. So what it will do, it will actually create an image, and it will automatically upload this in our images box. Okay, so you can see this is a QR code which is generated. Okay, and now on the right hand side I can type the title, whatever I want to write here. Okay, scan the QR code, like this. Okay, so this way you can create a QR code, okay, using Canva. So I hope you found this valuable, and if you have any question related to Canva, you can put in the comment box below. Okay, see you in the next video. Subscribe the YouTube channel as well. Thank you.